Hey guys, welcome back. So, today I'm going to do a little update on the Audi Allroad right now and the fix-it-flat video. So, it settled out, it deflated, so I don't know if it's going to take longer to seal, or if it's one of those things where it's just not going to work. So, right now it airs down, so it didn't really fix it yet, and it's been a week. I think it's been a week, so we'll keep airing it up and seeing if it holds longer and longer. But it did hold for a good, probably I'm gonna say 12 hours, so maybe it's helping. So we'll keep an eye on it and see how it goes. So let's go do some other stuff. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to work on this a little bit more. I decided that I'm going to throw a gusset from here to here. So let's do that. I'm going to take a piece of cardboard and mark it out from where I want it. I marked it out on the car that I can throw a gusset in right here. So just gonna set it down here. I already marked it out, so now that we got it cut on cardboard, got a piece of scrap diving plate. Swap it out for a cutting wheel. Alright, so I let it cool down here and pretty much scuffed it up with the flap wheel. Now I'm just going to shoot it with a coat of primer, and then I'm going to shoot it with a little bit of black paint. So alright, so now it's sat for a little bit now. It's firmed up, it's nice and tacky now, so I'm going to shoot it with some black, get this thing done, because tomorrow I got something else planned. So alright, so we went over the fixture flat. That isn't turning out like it should be. Maybe if I drive it around a little bit more and air it up and see, but I haven't done that. So maybe it'll work, so maybe I'll do another update and see if it's holding. And I did a video on building this hitch, but between building this hitch and then my other video where I spray painted my Traxxas body that I had laying around, those videos got lost somewhere. So today we welded in a brace and painted it. So hopefully tomorrow we can do some other stuff. I got some steel ordered, so we can start on my little project that I've been wanting to start for a little bit now. And it's about this thick. You know, I sat here and printed off a bunch of this stuff, so I think the first, let's find a good page here. This is the frame that I'm going to start working on tomorrow. And when I get done, it should look something like this. So that's tomorrow. So if you want to see that video, you better check in tomorrow. You know, I'll be starting that. I don't have an engine lined up yet. I don't have a transmission or drivetrain of any sort. So right now I got the steel ordered, and we'll go from there and start building and try and do a little bit every day. Well, the seasons change, and then in the spring I got a different project that we can start on, and I think it might be a little bit too dark out, so I can't really show you right now. But so far this is day 2 of my daily videos, so we're doing good so far. Now I just gotta go edit it and upload it. So all I want to say is thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you really like what I'm doing here so far, subscribe, and keep up to date with some of these different projects like the Audi, and now I'm going to be starting this Lotus 7, so stay tuned, and I will see you tomorrow.